Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. Today I am going to be showing you my latest Louis Vuitton purchase. It is a new to me but a vintage Trousse 28. I think that's how you pronounce it. But it is a Louis Vuitton cosmetic case. The date code on it is 81, which makes her 40 years old, which is crazy to me. But the seller really was hesitant to sell it because the canvas is a little, faded, and there were some rubs, as you can see, on the ends. And to be honest, she does smell just a little musty. So it was dirt cheap. I got her for $140 Canadian, which is about just over 100 and maybe about 105 US dollars. And I have seen these vintage selling on eBay as well as in Facebook groups that I'm in for no less than maybe $350. So as soon as I saw this, I was like, I gotta have it. And let's be honest, I mean, it is a cosmetic case. It's gonna go inside of any luggage or bag that I have. So I'm not looking for perfection, not in this case at all. And when I got it, I was really pleasantly surprised. One, by how big it is, because it's actually pretty big. Like, this would fit all of the cosmetics that I would take with me on any trip. I really like that it has these things right here, which you can stand up bottles, so that's really nice. And it's really deep. So, show you, I don't know if you'll be able to see the date code in here. I'll try to show it to you, but it's stamped in there. It's got the Louis Vuitton tag. Here we go. Right here. Made in, where's it made in? This one is made in France. So the inside lining is kind of like a plastic because of course it is a cosmetic case and you gotta be able to handle spills and that sort of thing. But I'm pleasantly surprised by the condition. The canvas is a little faded, and that's okay. So today I am going to clean her up. I'm going to clean the zipper, and I'm going to clean the inside, and I'm also going to brighten up the canvas. With me, I'm going to have my saddle soap, Q-tips, Brasso for the zipper. I have my baby wipes. I have some interior detailing spray for the canvas, and my trusty microfiber cloth. First thing I'm going to do is take care of the zipper. So I'm going to use my Brasso on a Q-tip. I'm just going to take the Brasso and rub it on. I knew you're probably supposed to be using gloves, but Can you see how the dirt that's coming off of this? I'm going to get my cloth and wipe it off. Look at that zipper already. I'm just going to do that to the whole zipper. So this is what it looks like now. And I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to take some Brasso. I'm going to put it on my Q-tip. And I'm going to run it up and down the zipper. Like this. Then I'm going to take my cloth. I'm going to wipe her off. And look at that dirt. It's coming off of it. But look how shiny the zipper is getting. So I'm going to keep doing that all along the zipper, and I'll be right back. Okay, I am back, and here is the zipper all clean. Look at that. Nice and shiny. And then now I'm going to tackle the inside. So I will be honest, she does smell a little musty. Smells like kind of like mothballs, and like it's been in storage for a long time. It's not like a horrible smell like I know a lot of people have said that they tend to get from vintage bags, but this is actually not bad. It's just really like it's been in storage for a long time. So I'm going to use my baby wipes, and I'm going to clean out the inside. It's not too bad. So it's actually not as dirty inside as I thought it would be. Alright, so that's about as good as she's going to get. And I'm also going to put in some dryer sheets to help with the smell. And I'm just going to let them sit in there. Wipe down the inside. Guess I should have wiped her down before I put the dryer sheets in. Alright, now I put the dryer sheets in. And I'm also going to stuff it because I want the shape. I want it to get a little bit better shape. especially while I'm cleaning it. I'm cleaning the canvas. So I've stuffed it with some old t-shirts and some bubble wrap that it actually came wrapped in. So now she's a little firmer. And now onto the canvas. I'm going to clean the canvas with saddle soap and a baby wipe. And this should get off whatever dirt there might be on the outside of the canvas. So here's the saddle soap, baby wipe. I'm just going to get it in there. And now I'm going to take the bag and I'm going to clean the outside with the saddle soap. So one thing you have to remember about when you use saddle soap, whether it's on the canvas or on the vachetta, wow, look at that, it's pretty dirty. Whether it's on the canvas or on vachetta, is that any kind of soap will dry it out. So when I'm done with this, I'm actually going to condition it with that car interior detailing spray. So look at this. That's what was on the outside of this bag. And notice it actually looks a little better now. So I'm going to keep cleaning her all the way around, and I'll come back to you when she's done. All right, I am back. So I have cleaned the canvas, and I think you might be able to tell the difference. And I haven't put anything on it, I've just cleaned the canvas. And you really don't realize how dirty canvas is until you clean it. Let me show you something. This is what came off of the canvas. Using the saddle soap. That's crazy. So I just cleaned the canvas with the saddle soap. Then I went back over the canvas again with just baby wipes until the baby wipes came away completely clean without a stain. And then I wiped it down with a microfiber cloth to get rid of the wetness. And now that that's done, I'm going to condition it. Again, microfiber cloth. And this is just Meguiar's Interior Detailer. Cleans and protects the inside of your car. And I am going to just shine her up. And look at the difference here, if you can tell, and here. So there's a little shine here on this side, and there's not one on this side. And that's pretty much what this detailing spray is going to do, which is shine the canvas up so that she looks good. So I'll do the whole side here, and you can take a look. And there you go. So this is a 40-year-old cosmetic case. Looks pretty good. And I'm just going to do that to the rest of her, so you can tell the difference on that side versus this side. It's shinier. The canvas is a little bit cleaner, popping, looks better. zipper looks great. And that's it. Thank you very much for joining me, and we'll see what my next Louis Vuitton purchase will be.